Hi everyone, it's Becky here. So welcome to another new video here on my YouTube channel. So I have a really exciting announcement. So I'm traveling to the UK tomorrow. And yeah, so today is my last night at home before traveling. So I want to film like a really quick YouTube video showing you all the art supplies I'll be taking with me on this 2-week long vacation to the UK. So first of all, I will be taking this Lucchetti sketchbook, and every page spread is gonna lay nice and flat without like a gutter in the middle interrupting my lines going through the middle area of the page spread. And this is the Lucchetti sketchbook. I will also be taking another smaller sketchbook with me in my backpack. And this one is the Hannah Muel 100% cotton watercolor sketchbook. The size is about 4 inches by 7 inches, landscape format. So I'll be able to create these panorama sketches. And I'll be doing faster, looser sketches in this smaller sketchbook. And grander landscapes in this 8 inches by 8 inches Lucchetti sketchbook. So in my backpack, I will also have this Faber-Castell polychromo color pencils. Yeah, because I'm loving mixed media these days, especially working with these polychromo color pencils. And in my backpack, I will also have this stationery pouch with my everyday drawing tools. I'm going to show you very quickly. A drafting pencil and some new colored pencils. And most of these are from Holbein. So Holbein is also producing high quality color pencils now. So in this stationery pouch, I also have this art toolkit mini palette containing about 12 essential colors that I use every day. So all of these essential 12 colors are from Daniel Smith's Tube Paint. And this mini palette is super lightweight. And I also got my Sailor's Feuille fountain pen. Just in case if the Sailor's Feuille fountain pen run out of ink, I have other backup pens from Winsor & Newton, a 0.5 mm fine liner pen, and also a Staedtler's 0.5 fine liner pen. So these are backup pens, or I might use these pens when the fountain pen is not that convenient to use, like on an airplane. And about this pouch earlier this week from my local art supply store. Yeah, very easy to pick up these drawing pens or pencils. Okay, so I will also be taking my Noodler's brown number 41 ink on the side pouch of my backpack. And I want to make sure I really twist tight the lid so the ink won't be spilling. So I took this bottle of ink with me to Montreal last year, and it didn't spill because I made sure that I twist the cap nice and tight and make sure it's always standing nice and straight on the side pouch of my backpack. And I will also put like a plastic bag wrapping around it later. So as I'm traveling to London, I'm gonna put these Crayons water-soluble crayons. I've got 2 series of colors. These are like blues and greens and a few purples. And yeah, this tin has a series of pastel colors. So these are a little bit heavyweight, so I'm gonna put these into my carry-on luggage, not in my backpack. And I wanna reorganize my backpack later when I arrive at the Airbnb. So this is a gooseneck phone holder for filming my sketching process. So there's like a clamp over here on the bottom, so I can just easily clamp it on the edge of a table at the cafe or any public space. And I'm gonna put my iPhone right over here pointing down at my sketching surface to film my drawing and painting process for about like an hour each time. And the brand of this gooseneck phone holder is called Avant. I'm gonna show you the brand over here. And I bought this from Amazon about 6 years ago. They don't have it anymore on Amazon, which is very unfortunate. But you can try the other gooseneck phone holders that you can find on Amazon. So this one goes into my carry-on luggage, not in a backpack. So other than the Art Toolkit mini palette, I also bring my mundane larger watercolor palette. So if I'm sitting down nice and stable at a table in a restaurant or cafe, I'll be using this larger watercolor palette. Most of these colors are mundane, and some of these are from Daniel Smith, like spring green, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, cobalt blue, and hooker's green. So these colors are from Daniel Smith's tubes. All other colors are from mundane, the original palette that I bought about 3 years ago. So I think I want to put this into my carry-on luggage, not in a backpack, because it's kind of heavy. Until I arrive at the Airbnb in London, I'm just gonna move it into my backpack by removing some stuff from my backpack to replace. And yeah, I like taking these mini travel palettes to test out in different sketching situations. So this one is like a wooden mini palette. And I can't remember like the name of the brand. You can find something like this very easily on Amazon, a wooden mini palette for watercolors or gouache. And I have these 12 essential colors from Daniel Smith filled in here. And you do need like a clip over here. So it doesn't, fall off. It's just a very light magnet, okay? Holding the two sides together. We need a clip there in the middle. And usually I love to clip this little palette to one side of my sketchbook spread. So depending on the situation, I might be using this mini palette to sketch by clipping it on the side of my sketchbook. And I also want to take this other mini wooden palette with some Daniel Smith gouache paint in it, okay? Because this year I really want to get started on trying gouache paint. And these are from Daniel Smith. So in this green pouch that you've probably seen before, I have my moist towel in this plastic Ziploc bag, my 4 Holbein water brushes, 2 large tips and 2 medium tips. And I'm just taking the yellow ochre watercolor paint tube and also the Imperial Purple watercolor tube with me because these colors are running out in my palette pretty soon. And I also got like a pencil sharpener to sharpen my colored pencils, white Posca marker, and like a masking fluid pen, my eraser, and 2 clips to clip the pages. And here in my backpack, I've got my iPad. So I'm going to use my iPad to edit all of my upcoming YouTube videos. Yeah, most of the things in front of me that I just showed you is going to be going into my backpack. Yeah, of course, I'll be taking my good old iPhone 8 Plus to film my sketching process sometimes, especially when I'm sketching those famous landmarks. And for filming my self-sketching, and then there's also some little moments of, sketching, I'll be using my DJI Pocket 3 mini camera. Yeah, and this is the DJI Pocket 3 camera that I'm using right now. It's very lightweight, very high quality video filming. And it goes into this pouch. Yeah, it's DJI. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I will check your questions and comments once I land in the UK. Okay? And let's check on Dudu. I think he's kind of sad, knowing that me and my mom are leaving for a vacation for 2 weeks. He's pretty smart. He just knows. Of course, we'll miss him so much over the next 2 weeks. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching, and I wish everybody like a lovely spring break season, traveling, having lots of fun, enjoying the coming of spring. So take care, and see you very soon in the next vlog video. Bye, everyone. Take care.